None. First up, pack light. Malta's narrow streets and charming alleys are best explored on foot, so a comfy pair of walking shoes is a must. Next, don't miss the Blue Lagoon on Camino Island. The crystal clear waters are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Hungry? Try pastizi, a delicious local pastry filled with ricotta or peas. And don't forget a glass of kinny, Malta's unique soft drink. Take some time to visit Mdina, the silent city. Its ancient walls and stunning architecture will transport you back in time. For the history buffs, the Hypogeum of Halsaflieni is an underground wonder you have to see. Book tickets in advance because spots fill up quickly. Lastly, catch the ferry to Gozo. This sister island is known for its scenic countryside and tranquil vibe. For more travel tips and guides, visit countrydiscover.com. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and let us know your favorite Malta spot. Happy travels!